Hi, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. I want to show you something cool that mimics some of the JetBrains IDE's functionality. So I have this H2 here, and I have another H2 here, but I only have a cursor here. Okay, so I'm going to just hit the backspace and change this to an H3. Did you catch that? Did you notice how as this H3 changed, this H3 also changed? Well, this is the VSCodium editor, and that isn't enabled out of the box. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to get that set up. First off, though, if you like videos like this where I install software and I show you how to install software, make sure to subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. Okay, so I have VSCodium open here, and I've got the material theme installed. I have a video on how to install that in case you're wondering, so check that out. But the default behavior of changing the tags is something like this. So if I want to change this tag right here that I'm on to an H3, I can change this one to an H3. I then go to the end of the line here and then change the end of the closing tag to an H3. Right? That's okay. I could also do multiple cursors or Control D to get multiple cursors that way. But it would be nice if I had that behavior where I just changed one tag and then the other tag changed automatically. Luckily, I can set that up pretty easily in VSCodium. So what I'm going to do is go to this activity bar here on the left and click on the extensions. I'm then going to search for auto rename tag. Okay. And this second one that comes up, auto rename tag here from Formula Hendry is the one I'm going to install. I'm going to click install, and that's going to take a moment. Okay, now that that's installed, I can close out this side here, side panel, and I have my cursor here on this H3. Let's backspace, and boom, I changed this to an H2, and if you notice here, it changed this one to an H2 as well. If, for instance, I brought my cursor up here and I wanted to change this H1 to an H4, I could just backspace H4, it changes both sides. I don't really want to do that. I'll keep it as an H1, but it's as easy as that with auto rename tag, and it's just that simple. So if you like this and this video helped you out, please help it out by giving it a like. Thank you for watching. Bye.